Welcome to your Retouching Masterclass. Affinity Photo has everything you need to retouch your photos like a professional. And in this course, you'll learn how to harness the full power of these incredible tools. We'll start off nice and simple and learn the foundational skills that you need for retouching. So even if you've never done any retouching before, we'll cover everything you need to get started. We'll learn all about inpainting, cloning, sharpening, liquefying, frequency separation, color correction, and dodging and burning. Then, after learning the basics, we'll build on those skills as we learn how to retouch like a professional. We'll edit a ton of photos together so you can see how all of your new retouching skills fit together. During these projects, you'll learn exactly how to retouch a photo from start to finish. That way, you'll be totally prepared to edit your own photos after you finish the course. I'm so excited to share these tutorials with you. I know you're going to learn so much, so sign up below and let's get started.